Good morning. I gotta check outside. The hurricane is here. Oh my god, it's windy. And the garbage truck is here. Oh my god, that's a lot of water. Good thing it didn't come up in here. Look. A lot of water. I need to get ako ng water doon din. OMG. It's still raining. Garbage day today. What happened to my plants? Oh my god, look at the water. Must be so high. Okay, let's check our malunggay, because I'm gonna cook something. Oh my god, look at my malunggay. What happened with my malunggay? Wow. Check our backyard, of course. What happened to my pineapple? Thanks God we don't have heavy flood. Thank you so much, Lord, that we're all safe. My rubber plants. Okay, kuha tayo malunggay. Because I'm gonna cook some soup. Tingnan nyo anong nangyari sa malunggay ko. Balik-balik na siya. Tungod sa hangin. Ito kahoy dito, guys.